Can a simple piece of cardboard become an amazing rotating solar system? Let's build it and make it spin. Turn it on, stay till the end to see the planets come to life. Today we are building a solar system model. We will use this print as our guide.
First, we cut scaled cardboard circles for each of the planets. Then, we hand paint them with realistic details. Saturn gets its own carefully crafted ring. Here is our completed mini solar system. First, we paint the entire base in matte black. Flick white paint for a realistic star field. Sponge on some colorful blue nebula effects. Layer on purple paint to complete the galaxy.
Each painted planet is attached to its rotating arm according to its orbit. The planets are evenly spaced around the Sun. The model begins to resemble a real solar system. If you enjoyed this cardboard science project, hit like, subscribe, and comment, what's the next cardboard project I should build?